yeah, oh yeah. Looking back in a different way, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today, day 4, we're in Bronawendon Holiday Park, which is in Llandulais, North Wales. So we've come up from the Midlands area and we are here for 4 nights, but today we're gonna just take it a bit quiet because we've had a really busy few days, so we're having a nice chill day before we go off and do more things. Virgie's gonna do a bit of cooking. You might be able to hear all that noise behind me because she's getting her appliances ready to give you a nice cooking lesson. So today we're making some Thai green curry. These are the ingredients which Virgie will be using.
Preparation for my cream. How spicy you want?
I think we'll have it medium today because we've had a bit of hot weather, so we don't want to be sweating anymore.
Okay. We will need peppers, beans, carrots, of course the chicken, and we have bay leaves and green curry paste, palm sugar, fish sauce.
Oh, I don't like
favorite.
fish sauce.
And some coconut milk. This one is for later after we cook the basil leaf.
Okay.
First is the green paste. Just green paste, oil should be hot. This one makes a difference. Lime
Yes.
leaf.
Lime leaves.
Lime leaf.
Okay.
The whole coconut.
Beans.
What do you call this? Runner beans.
Runner beans will do, I think.
You can put any kind of veggies you like. Broccoli, whatever.
And here we are, the final end product. Thai green curry made by Virgie.
Let's have lunch. No, it's late lunch.
Yes, it is today. And Virgie's got a special drink there too.
Sarsaparilla. Tell me how spicy.
Well, I said medium,
But
and I wonder what
I'm-
it's like.
I'm carried away. So
I know. Oh. Ooh, it has got a kick. If it was an Indian, I would say bit of a madras. But Steve likes a madras, so we don't mind that at all.
I think green is more spicier than the red.
I think I said that.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.